Welcome back to Headroom Unboxings. Today we're going to check out a new Skullcandy product, the Air Raid. This is a Bluetooth portable speaker. As far as we know, it is only Bluetooth, but I guess we're going to find out when we open it up. We don't know much about this guy yet, so here we go. Fairly heavy. In the box it weighs about 3 pounds. It's kind of weighty. Looks like somebody scribbled inside the box. It has kind of a militant look to it. Maybe that's why they call it the Air Raid. I thought it was similar to Air Radio, but So we've got a little user guide here. Oh, they give you space for notes. So a little journal comes along with your Air Raid radio speaker dock. So this is fairly heavy. It's got this rubberized outer piece on it. Some buttons, on off. This is the power supply for it. Looks like it's a USB power supply. So if you remove the rubber cover, this is where we're going to access USB charging and an auxiliary in. So we can do regular old analog input. Neat. Well, portable wireless speakers are definitely popular at the moment, and some of them actually sound pretty darn good. So we're going to give this a listen, and we will let you know with a detailed review what we think.